First test of the through-hole connectors. I was thinking about threaded bar and seat them in a solid joint, but I'm going to try this first, just gluing them in to a standard bit of copper. The plate that I used wasn't very good to seal the ends, and the resin crept up the wires a bit, and obviously there's a big hole there in the end of copper, but I don't think it'll matter. It's not huge pressures anyway. We're just going for 100 psi. I think we're good. Just the housing station. Yeah, these tighten up. It's 40. Yeah, crap. There's pissing out of there. Right, a bit of a rethink. Right, so that was a bit of a failure. Going to have a go at trying to fix this leaky connector. So I've got 20 wires in here going through a 22mm pipe. Just using standard polyester resin. Just had a quick look at the open ROV wire potting thing, and they seemed quite keen on having the wires separate from the edges when you're potting it. Obviously I'm probably using the wrong sorts of wires and all sorts, but just having a go with what I had. So I'm going to try some electrical tape, liquid tape, over the top of that, put this cover on, then put a bit more in, creating a little reservoir of liquid tape over the top, and then pressurise down on the other side and hopefully force it down into the holes and seal it permanently. Well, this is just a test one, but see if it works. There you go, test the theory. Let's set up for the liquid tape in the pipe. Hopefully the tape will work its way in. We've still got air. It means the tape's not over the air hole, which might mean it's coming through a wire. Right. See what happens. Give it a minute. So it looks like the air is actually coming through the wire, down the grain of the wire and out through the ends. That's even with in the middle. I removed some insulation from each of the wires and put a bit of liquid tape over the joint. Removed the insulation, put a blob of solder on it, and then put some liquid tape over it, and then cast it in the resin, and it's still finding its way around to come out of the end of the wires, which is a bit rubbish, plus that big leak, but don't know what to do. Better casting technique maybe, or maybe just revert to the solid bars going through resin. It's a bit more faff. I was hoping this would save some time. I'll buy some of the expensive resin. I'll think on it. Right, through-hole test for the ROV. not very successful. We're up to pressure now, it's 7 bar. So it's kind of sealed. I chopped the wires off right at the top here and left the ends sitting in a little bath of the electrical liquid electrical tape, and it's not leaking at the moment. But I've done that before with the small test chamber. That's a green mess. And then it started to leak when I cleaned it off. So obviously it's not going into the wires very far. They were just sealing the very ends. And when I chopped it, it just opened it straight up again, and the air could escape. So, not sure what to do. If we seal the very ends and then start messing about with the ends, it's going to leak again. Potentially we can maybe force some sealant in through the middle if we potted either ends, either side, and then injected something in the middle. Maybe. Don't know, but maybe if I just leave this overnight, some of the stuff will get right in and start oozing out. Maybe. And seal it just from one side with the polyester resin, doing like a mechanical fix on the wires, and some other gooey stuff doing the airtight seal. Anyway, we'll see what happens.